Come on. Just get by. Should come off now. Why isn't that wanting to come? All right, guys. Yeah, that was me. Working on the John Deere 210 1983 that I got for free, trying to get the body off. This was supposed to be something quick, simple, and fast. There was one stupid thing that was holding me up the entire time. What I found underneath was a lot worse than what I was expecting. All right, so step one is take the seat off. Super easy. There's a little light bulb I just found. I'm not sure where that goes. Step two is take the pedals off. These bolts gave me a little bit of a fight, but eventually they broke free. And step three is take the body off, which was a little bit of a nightmare, and you'll see. Okay, so this should, yep, comes right off, perfect. Put that in the tray. And in theory, guys, this should just lift right off, come around the pedals. The little spots that are left on the pedals, the stubs, yep. Now the seat's off, the pedals are off, and the bolts are out, and the body is supposed to lift off. Just get by. There we go, that's by. Gonna have to take the ball off. I was gonna say maybe I can get it without taking the ball off, but needs to. Won't come off. And this body won't come off. Everything is free, I just can't get it out. What am I missing that I won't? All right, there's gotta be something I'm missing, something simple, something stupid. Shifter. There you go, is the shifter, guys. It's a good thing I'm doing it so you can see it. When you take the unibody off, the shifter is in the way. So make sure the shifter, I'm sorry, the stick to drop the mower deck or lower the mower deck, make sure it's all the way forward. Otherwise you can't take the unibody off. So there you have it, guys. Seat wiring, looks like somebody burnt the wires and tried to fix it. As you can see, these wires are kind of beat up. Let's see if it becomes an issue in a future video. All right, guys, as the sun's going down and I'm losing light, I'm gonna go back to the barn and work on the hood to take the hinges off. I wanna paint them black, get them looking good and sharp. All right, guys, as you can see, the progression is starting to build and we're moving forward. And this is what it's all about, hard work. All right, guys, well, there's a lot more to do underneath the hood to get situated. Check out the next upcoming video. I'm gonna be power washing the frame, cleaning it up, getting ready to prep it to paint. Drop me a comment. Let me know what your thoughts are, your experiences are with power washing the tractor. All right, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. This way, then you get the alerts the next time I put a video out. And most important, it's all about hard work. And as you can see, we're accomplishing stuff. So till next time, guys, don't forget, hard work feels good. See ya.